This is like a flu medicine. Maliit lang naman siyang tote, but parang enough na siya for me. So these two Band-Aids are the best. So sa GU, nag-hoard ako na napakadami. Okay guys, I wanna do a Japan haul. Wala lang. Kasi I see a lot of people do these mga Japan haul or whatever haul. So, gayahin natin. Okay, so anyways, busy ang lola nyo, kaya ngayon na ako nag-shoot gabi-gabi na. Pero at least, the first thing that I think I got, I wanna show you guys, bumili ulit ako ng bagong Porter na bag. So, POTR to. And ang cute ng packaging nila. Can you see? Ganito yung packaging nilang bago. So, it's the orange bag, the typical orange bag ng Porter. Ito naman, sleeve nila talaga siya eh. Like, I have a lot of these. And ito po yung bago kong binili. See, it's a tote. Now, meron daw larger size nito, pero I was okay with this na. Kasi, ito lang yung meron siyang available size, tapos at least maliit lang siya. So, it forces me to downsize my stuff, parang hindi ganun karami. What I love about it, number one, is may dalawang front pocket siya. Sa loob naman, may napakalaki siyang zipper compartment. Tingnan mo to guys, ang laki niya, ang lalim mo. The whole side is a zipper compartment. You can put your passport there, wallet mo, and everything else. And meron pa siya isang clear pocket dito inside na zip rin siya. What I love about Porter is really organization niya. Sobrang daming pockets niya. And even dito sa other side ng pocket, meron pa siyang dalawang pouch here. Ganito siya, di ba? Para siyang, maliit lang naman siyang tote, but parang enough na siya for me to put my camera whenever I need to vlog, and madali siyang kunin as well, so my camera can easily shoot in. So this is the medium size. This is their typical tote na tank. It's in the lightweight nylon ng Porter. So that's that. That's the first thing. Next thing, I went to, sabihin nyo, ano ba yan? Bumili siya Uniqlo. Yes, what I'm wearing now is the Uniqlo also. Ito kasi gusto ko yung relax fit, yung medyo mahaba yung sleeves dito. I got that. And then, meron rin kasing relaxed fit si GU. Si GU mas mura, pero wala siyang black. So, I just got the white. And mas mura pala si GU, guys. And then, I got the maroon. So, 4 shirts, technically. And nag-hoard po ako ng medyas. So, sa GU kasi, 590 for 3 pairs na. Sa Uniqlo kasi, mas mahal siya, di ba? It's 990 for tatlo, parang ganyan. So, sa GU, nag-hoard ako na napakadami. 3 pairs, 590. And guys, you can get tax-free basta ma-meet mo yung 5,000 yen. So, yun, marami akong biniling ganun. The other things that I bought, I super love this mint. So, nag-hoard ako nitong mint na to. It's called Mintia. So, meron ako itong Mintia na crystal silver, then Mintia na black, and then Mintia na fresh grape, refresh blue. Nakakatawa, bumili pa ako ng kabayaki sauce. Ito po yung nalagay sa ano siya, unagi. So, yan, binili ko sa dad ko yan. And then, meron pa siyang dry hard na ganito. And then, of course, for my bestie, binigyan ako siya ng pasalubong kasi favorite niya si Jin. So, nakakita ako ng ganito na si Jin plus ganito na si Jin. So, yan, para sa bestie ko yan. And then, guys, I bought Band-Aids. Sobrang ganda nitong mga Band-Aids na to. Kasi itong Band-Aid na to, kahit anong tanggal mo siya or kahit anong basa sa tubig, sobrang ganda. So, these two Band-Aids are the best. And then, of course, ito, I don't know what's it called in Japanese, but this is like a flu medicine. If you guys want to try it out, ito, sobrang ganda nito. Every person can only buy 1 box, and then dapat na-try mo siya, but sobrang pait nito. But this one is really good when you're feeling down, may cold ka, ganyan. Yan, bilhin mo yan. As in, maganda talaga yan. Amazing daw talaga siya kasi it will really gagaling ka. In short, parang ganun siya. And yun lang haul ko talaga, guys. Sabihin nyo, ang boring naman ito si Jack says, wala masyadong pinili. Hindi naman kasi ako masyadong hoarder, unlike how I was back then. That's why I just bought all the necessity that I needed to buy. And yun lang. Puros lahat yung mga typical shirts na sinusuot ko kasi every time mag-create ako ng TikTok videos, ito yung sinusuot ko rin naman. So, that's why, yun lang. And I bought a bag because I really wanted a tote talaga. And gusto ko, meron akong madaling mapasukan ng camera. Kasi when I was traveling right now, when I'm doing these content, travel vlogs, kailangan dala-dala ko yung camera. I'm using the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, di ba? So, syempre, mas malaki siya compared to back then I was just using the Osmo Pocket. And in fairness, parang I appreciate this camera kasi malaki. I don't know, just tell me kung mas gusto niyo ba tong mga videos ko right now because syempre, it's the Sony na. But in terms of ease of use, mas madali talaga gamitin yung Osmo Pocket noon. But whatever, I mean, nandito na siya, meron to handle, pindot-pindutan. Okay rin siya. I think, depende on where I'm gonna go, sasalitan na lang siya. Yun lang, wala akong masyadong binili pang iba. Anyways, yun muna. Bye guys.